What if I told you most people trying to get monetized on YouTube are not failing because of bad videos? They are failing because they start with the wrong first step, and the worst part, they coding for months, sometimes realizing why nothing is working. In this video, I will show you the exact step to YouTube monetization that separate fast growing channels from those that stay stuck forever. And by the end, you know the exactly what to do before you upload another. Most beginners think YouTube monetization is simple: upload videos, get subscribers, you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch, get paid, and probably that is true. That's the truth that everybody knows. That's the truth that everybody knows. But here's what nobody tells you: you can upload 50 videos and still never get monetized. Not because you are lazy, not because your content is bad, but because YouTube doesn't understand your channel. In fact, that is what the pros are saying. That's what Mr. Beast people are saying. And if YouTube doesn't understand who your content is for, it won't recommend your videos. No recommendation equals to no views. No views equals to no subscribers. No subscribers equals to no monetization. So the real problem is not effort. I really didn't know it. You are saying it, but these things are from the top YouTubers: Milkman Mart, Mr. Beast, PewDiePie, and so on. The first step to YouTube monetization is this: not everyone, not general content. This one is not for everyone. Not random videos. You need clarity. Ask yourself, what am I helping? What problem am I solving? I'm helping you beginner YouTube creators, freelancers, and others. Why would someone subscribe for this? Why will you subscribe? Judge by your own self. Let's make it simple. Instead of motivational videos, you choose motivation for students who struggle with procrastination. Okay, that's quite good, depending on you. Okay, instead of fitness channel, you choose workout for skinny beginners trying to gain weight. That's also a good option. Instead of tech videos, you choose AI tools for beginners trying to make money online. Now here's why this is powerful. YouTube is not just a video platform. In fact, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. It's a recommendation system. Ask who enjoyed this video. That's why everybody say the thumbs up. Who enjoyed this video? What else should we show them? Yes, exactly. That is what the question YouTube will be asking. Is this channel consistent enough to recommend? Yes, that's what YouTube. If your audience is unclear, YouTube gets confused. Well, we didn't know that. But if your audience is clear, YouTube becomes your free marketing channel. That's why this channel is here for you to know all these things, because most beginners content creators didn't know what I'm just talking about now. Let's look at the real problem. On YouTube, a channel uploads fitness tips. Okay, maybe you are there uploading fitness tips. Maybe you work at the gym center uploading fitness tips. Some also uploading motivational videos. Okay, some also uploading on random trending content. Now results: 20 videos, 80 subscribers, no direction. That's exactly the problem why you are facing. Exactly the problem why your channel is not being monetized. Now the second channel, home workout for beginners who are skinny. How to gain weight with no gym. Okay, in fact, those who are which I said gym, probably there's a mistake there. No gym. Simple routines for fast muscle growth at home. Results: now with these titles, look at what the magic that happened. 7 videos, he hit 1,000 subscribers. Wow, how cool is this? Faster monetization part. Some platforms, same effort level, different clarity. So at the beginner stage, you need to be clear on what you're talking about, and that's the most important part. The difference: you don't grow on YouTube by being everywhere, you grow by being specific. That's the mistake. What are their biggest problem? Alright, how does my videos help them? That's the problem. If you can't answer those 3 clearly, you are not ready to grow yet, because clarity is what turns random videos into a monetized channel. So you need to be clear. Clarity, right? No editing, not going viral. It's all because of clarity. You need to be clear. Alright, clarity. Now if you want to, I can help you take this further. I can. Why not? I can help you choose your exact YouTube niche. That's number 1. Your first 10 video ideas. That's also number 2. Just click on the subscribe video, and this channel is here to help you do that. Simple as that. I also help you build a full monetization roadmap for your channel. Just tell me your topic idea at the comment section. Remember what I said at the start: most people fail YouTube monetization not because they don't work hard, but because they start without direction. Alright, now you have the direction. The only question is, will you actually use it? Are you going to actually use these things I'm talking about? Are you going to implement it? So for you, hearing it is the best thing. Alright, for you to hear what I'm saying, knowledge first. You have gotten. But the problem is, before I even say that, people attend conferences, buy online courses, but the exact problem is that they are just looking at this video, watching this video up to the end, they go back their normal lifestyle. Why is that? So number 1, knowledge is not the real power. Listen to this attentively. Knowledge is not the real power, but executing is the real power. Knowledge is a potential power. Executing is the real power. for you to put the thing in place and to do it. That's where the real start or begins. If you find this video valuable, just click on the subscribe button for more content like this. Drop in the comment section which video I should upload for you, and give probably ideas that can help you start, whether you are starting on AI, YouTube automation, a faces YouTube channel, or an on camera channel. As I am right on camera, probably I'm just staring at my camera and speaking to the camera. In fact, thanks for watching. Peace. Shut up.